The story starts from Gouda, Netherlands, with the project called From Small to Spacious, embodies format furniture's transformative expertise in maximizing the potential of compact spaces, turning them into expansively comfortable and functional environments. Their philosophy revolves around the belief that every space, regardless of its size, holds immense potential for beauty and utility. Creating space where there is practically none requires sharp spatial awareness and a lot of creativity. This is not the first time they worked on a small house. Some might see a limited space as a challenge, but formats like to see it as an opportunity for smart thinking.